Welcome back guys to my channel, and this is Shanix TV. So meron tayong unbox ngayon na model kit from JMS. This is the HGCE Freedom Gundam. So this is the box. Malayo-malayo sa Gawgaw or Daban. So yan yung box na very simple. So let's open it. This is the kit inside. Comes with two bag of plastics and comes with decals, which is ang Daban this is not included to Gawgaw, from Gawgaw and Daban. So this is the butter slide decals. The manual, instruction manual. Straight copy from Bandai. So this is the kit. Let's open the first bag. So meron nang lumabas na JMS, I think. The first one is the deactivate mode, and this one is the activate mode. The real colors. Comes with stickers. The beam saber. Comes with free stand. Polycap. Plastic is very good quality plastic. It's the Runner A2. Runner A2. Runner F2. This is the Runner B2. Plasma cannon, the legs, some parts of the arm, beam saber. And let's check the second bag. Runner A1, the rail guns, and some of the chest part. The Runner E1. So there's a fold part. This is the part of the beam rifle, waist, joints. Next is the Runner C. This is wings and the foot. Some of the parts of the torso. Check the quality. Runner B1. Some parts of the shield, arms, waist, the head, the shoulder. This is the face. This is much better from the Gao Gao, because the Gao Gao, the face is a little bit deformed. And the torso, the wings. This is the runner D. Yeah, some parts of the thrusters, the knee, the torso, backpack, the shield. So there you have it, all the parts of this kit, and that's the one who came from the runner, came out from the runner. So there you have it, guys. That's JMS HGCE Freedom Gundam. So let's review it on another video. So thanks for watching. This is Shanix TV. See you on my next video.